All right, what's going on, y'all? It's the Wavy One here. So you just got done using your blender, making some goodies right here. Put some water back in there, put a little soap, and if you didn't know, all blenders clean themselves. You want to see how? I'll just put it on high. Boom. Well, there we go. Blender just cleaned itself. Hold on. Nice, soapy goodness. Blender just cleaned itself. It's a real talent trying to do things and record. But I mean, looks pretty clean to me. Gotta get all the soap off. But yeah, looks pretty clean to me. So, fun fact, in case you didn't know, a lot of people, oh, it's, you know, so much hassle and effort trying to use a blender or juicing. I mean, you can't do this with a juicer. I mean, you kind of can do it with a juicer. Not as effective, though, as with the blender. So, quick video, peace, love, and blenders.